The Levla Kangen 8 can make 5 types of electrolyzed water with 4 basic operations. Now we will show you how to make Kangen water, clean water, and beauty water. Set the lever of the diverter with shower function on the faucet to ion and touch the screen.
Powering on.
Next, select the desired electrolyzed water on the home screen by touching it.
Kangen water 9.5.
Turn on the water supply faucet.
Kangen water 9.5.
Kangen water 9.5 will be discharged from the flexible pipe. How to measure pH value of Kangen water. Measure the pH value of the Kangen water with the enclosed pH test liquid. The drinkable range is up to pH 9.5. Put about 1 inch of Kangen water into the enclosed test tube. The pH value of water that immediately comes out of the faucet is not consistent, so let the water run for approximately 10 seconds before sampling. Add 1 to 2 drops of test liquid to the tube and shake the contents well. Check the color using the color chart provided. You can adjust pH values if the pH level is higher than the normal range. Select the Settings button on the home screen and touch the pH setting button to display the pH setting screen. To lower the pH level, touch the minus button to decrease the power. If the pH value still remains lower than the normal range, touch the optional mineral additive button to increase the calcium concentration. Use our calcium lactate sold separately. If the pH value is within the normal range, there is no need to add calcium lactate. Next, we will show you how to produce strong acidic water and strong Kangen water. Set the lever of the diverter with shower function on the faucet to ion. Remove the tank cover and install the electrolysis enhancer tank with electrolysis enhancer inside, then put the cover back. Touch the screen.
Powering on.
Next, touch the pH 2.5 button on the home screen.
Strong acidic water.
Turn on the faucet.
Strong acidic water.
Strong Kangen water will be discharged from the flexible pipe, and strong acidic water will be discharged from the secondary pipe. Neither type of water is suitable for drinking. How to measure pH value of strong acidic water. Measure the pH value of the electrolyzed strong acidic water with the enclosed pH test paper. Pour strong acidic water from the secondary pipe into a glass. Carefully dip the pH test paper in the water sample and remove it quickly from the water. Shake the paper gently to remove excess water. Check the color as soon as possible by using the color chart provided. The pH value may not drop lower than pH 2.7 when the water flow is too high or when the electrolysis enhancer tank is empty. Automatic cleaning. The Levla Kangen 8 has an automatic cleaning function, as calcium deposited on the electrodes in the electrolysis tank may result in reduced performance. There are 2 types of cleaning that maintain the performance of the unit. If Kangen water or other water has been produced more than 10 minutes, it will show Kangen Refresh on the LCD and start cleaning for 10 seconds when the faucet is turned off. When another water type is selected after producing strong acidic water, or when the unit has not been used for more than 24 hours, it will start cleaning automatically for about 30 seconds once the water is run through the unit.
Starting the cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle is finished.
It will then start to produce the selected type of water.